In order to best organize the information you learn from a source, it helps to use index cards to take notes. I want you to notice how the index card is written and organized on the board. Notice that the source number is in the upper right-hand corner. You have to include 3 different sources in your research essay. You should number each source in your planning handout and note the number of the source you are taking information from on the index card. So if you are reading and taking notes from the source you labeled number 1 in the handout, you should write a number 1 on the index card in the upper right-hand corner. Notice the topic is at the very top, on the very top of the red line on the left-hand side, opposite the source number. As you read information from the source, you should be thinking about what part of the research question this information answers. For example, if my research question is, what books are censored today? And I notice that a lot of information from a source is focused on young adult books, I use the topic young adult books and write that on the index card. Below that is the paraphrased information from the source. As you read, you will think about the main ideas in the source related to the topic you will write. And you will write these main ideas in your own words on the index card and note the page number or paragraph number where the information is found in the text. One way I like to do that is to have my index card face down as I'm reading and then move the source away from me after I read it and write down as much as I can remember from the source, and then look back to make sure that I'm not using too much of the source's original words. And then at the bottom you have a direct quotation from the source. As you read, you should look for at least one direct quotation from the source related to the topic. This quotation should be an important phrase or sentence that makes it important to use exactly the same words as is written in the source, because otherwise it would lose some of its meaning if you paraphrased it. Now we're going to read the 10 most banned and challenged young adult books this year by Michael Schaub, and I'm going to model paraphrasing the main ideas related to young adult books using the information on the slide. We're going to identify the main ideas in the text and rewrite those main ideas in our own words.